If you like lasagna, you'll love the mini version. It'll be your new favorite appetizer. The first thing we do is cook the ground beef, but I've already done that, and I've drained it, and now I'm putting it back in the pan. We're going to add our sauce. I've chosen marinara. I've got fresh garlic. Italian seasoning. Salt and pepper. And we're going to let this cook. I'm going to drop the lasagna noodles in, and while they're cooking, I'm moving on to the next step. So we want to cook those to al dente, which means to the bite or to the tooth, which means a little firm, not fully cooked. Now I'm making the cheese filling. I've got mozzarella cheese. Got Parmesan cheese. I've got ricotta cheese. 1 egg. Fresh basil. If you don't have that, you can use dried.
Yeah. No.
If you're desperate. I've now got fresh garlic. I would recommend the fresh.
Of all the things that you get,
Yeah.
try
and buy fresh.
Buy fresh garlic, buy fresh basil. Don't use the pre-made stuff.
Unless you have to. Okay, salt. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. Now we're going to mix it up. So it has all the components of a regular lasagna, your meat sauce, your cheese, layers, and of course your noodles. It's just scaled down to a mini version. My noodles are cooked, and now I'm going to cut them into about 2-inch pieces. They're going to form the bottom layer. Now this will make a little more than 24, but my pan only holds 24. What they're going to look like.
Go.
My oven's preheated to 375. Now it's time to fill our lasagna cups. Just a little bit, like about a teaspoon. I don't think it really matters, but I'm doing cheese on the bottom and the meat on top. Since I have more meat sauce, I'm doing a little more. I think we're hungry. I think our stomachs are growling. Okay, went away. All right, it's going in the oven for about 20 minutes, but I will keep an eye on it in case it's ready sooner. Looks beautiful. And now we are going to have to wait. All right. Ooh. I like the way they look. So that was a little under 20 minutes. So we're going to let those cool, and then we're going to top them and then try them. Now I'm going to top it with more mozzarella cheese. Just however much you think. Okay, so I've chopped up some fresh basil.
Smells so good.
It does. You're not going to get that from dried, that's for sure. Mini lasagna bites. What do you think?
They're pretty amazing.
Mm-hmm. All right. We already know they're good.
Everything about lasagna I love, or anybody could love, in a bite size. Hors d'oeuvre. Oh my gosh.
It's really good. Yep. This is definitely the way to go. And I think the time in the oven, I would cut that back to maybe 15 minutes, but you got to watch it. Make sure the edges don't burn. 20, I think, is a little too long.
So a big improvement that Brigetta made on this version, 2.0, was to add basil. I'll take credit for that.
Okay.
Fresh basil at the end.
The other time I put fresh parsley, so it was just a personal preference. Parsley was fine. We just like basil better. Has more flavor to it, a little more taste. That kind
Parsley's
of
so
thing.
blah.
I could have gone either way, but I like these. Yeah, this is really cool. So if you have any leftover lasagna sheets, you could do this. So you need like 5 to 6 sheets of lasagna that you're going to cook. You might not need them all. Usually if I cook 6, I have too much left over.
This is amazing.
This is very good. Highly recommend this for the holidays. So don't forget the recipe will be in the description box, and 2 videos a week now. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time with another great recipe. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
So goodbye. Funny how it works sometimes. Yeah, we kinda hit it off at first. Checking every bar in town, all the sleepless nights until things got worse. You're so manipulative, trying to convince me of the but it didn't work on me. So, baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Baby, let it be, let it be. Forget your lies, forget your ties. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your hair, your dead eye stare. I swear anything's better than you. Get you on the flip side, get you on the flip side. So goodbye. Maybe for once just give it a try. Listen to me when I say goodbye to you. Maybe for once just give it a try. Listen to me when I say goodbye to you. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you've asked me to do. Forget your flip side. So goodbye.